Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So today you're going to see a swipe and spin painting, and I love this one, you guys. I love the lacing. It looks so good and the colors look really good together. So I'm very happy with how this one turned out. So I'm going to show it to you here. It is on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And I love this kind of rustic red color. This is actually red oxide. And I think it looks so good with this turquoise blue. There's also some raw sienna in there as well. And I really like those three colors together. I've done other paintings with those three colors and I think they look so good together. The lacing looks really good too. Really happy with that. As you can see, like down here, really love that. So the formula as well as the colors will be listed in the description box. I also have an online course for the swipe and spin, and the online course goes into a lot more detail. It's about a 30-minute course, and it goes into a lot of detail on how I do the swipes, a little bit more detail than what I can go into in a YouTube video. So if you're interested in perfecting your swipe and spin, that's a really good course for you guys to take. I'm also working on some more online courses that I'm excited to share with you guys soon. My online courses can be found at crystalcoastoriginals.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.